Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we are in the exam information section, and this video is to give you some information about the exam itself. So the exam is project based with 7 projects with around 5 questions per project. So it's 35 questions and it's 50 minutes in length. There's no multiple choice questions on the exam, okay? There's 5 exam domains and watch the time. So it's 7 projects by 7 projects, so 7 minutes by 7 minutes, which is 49 minutes, okay? Practice your timing in the test preparation on the geometrics. So that will get you used to the timing, okay? As you will have 50 minutes and there will be no help turned on. So it'll be like doing the actual exam itself. Print out the exam objectives to ensure that you know how to do everything that's on the exam domains. Register on the Certiport website. I have a link with the registration link down below. Purchase your exam voucher if you need one, okay? Find your local test centre. I have a link below on the local test centre listings. If you're doing the exam at home, online at home, make sure you have good internet connection and you need to have Zoom installed. And as mentioned there, exams can either be done online, at home, you need good internet connection, you need Zoom, or you can attend a test centre, whichever you prefer. A Microsoft listed test centre, and again the link is down below. So that's brilliant. That's some information on the exam. So thanks a million for watching, and take care.